Well, thanks to Anderson's Auto Body in Sonora, California, I got my body back, or my bed back, on Friday. I could have had it before that, but it was just kind of what we had decided. So I got the bed on there. I got to fight with the filler, with the fuel line. It's there, but the hose is curled the wrong direction, so it kinked when I tried to pull it up to it. So I'll just cut it and flip it and put a joint in there and get that done. Don't have those components, so can't do it right now. And besides, it's end of the day for me. My back is killing me. I've got like 3 ribs that keep popping out of place. So here we go. Bed's on. Bed's bolted down. The anti-rocks in the rear from Rock Chalk are there. I gotta finish up. I forgot the spacer for the fuel tank, for the fuel cell from Motobuilt. But BJ's came through again with parts. Can't see a lot of their parts because they're really hidden. I put the bed caps from BJ's in there. Running KC lights is what I'm going to run for the reverse. Those are V2, what they call V2s. They're rock lights. This thing will probably have more than I want to even think about in KC lights on it when it's done, because I'll be swapping out the lights in the front to street legal KC lights, LEDs possibly, or halogen. I don't know. I put the LEDs on my daughter's Jeep and everybody does nothing but flash her because they're so bright. But looking good. It goes to the upholstery shop on the 19th for him to work his magic on. I'll let him finish off putting in the headliner, but what he's gonna do is make a carpet skirt around the Jeep JK center console so it looks like it belongs there, because he'll skirt it from way back here and all the way around and hide my sins. And then it'll be time to play electrician and get all the electrical done. And got the Speedo working the other day. The Dakota Digital integrated with the Phytech. Yeah. And then we still got to work on getting the grill done out. And Pi 10s. Nobody can ever do it, so I'm going to come up, or tell me how to do it, so I got a way I'm going to do it. I'm out.